Good evening, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Judy Ashner. I am chair of the Department of Pediatrics and physician-in-chief of the Children's Hospital at Montefiore, which we fondly refer to as CHAM. I also have the honor of being the first Michael I. Cohen Chair of Pediatrics here at Montefiore. I am so very sorry I could not be there with you today in person. As you are watching this pre-recorded video, I will be in Jerusalem, where I have organized an international conference on advances in care for critically ill newborns. However, I want to thank all of you for being here tonight, and I want you to know how important this event is for CHAM. Your support makes all the amazing things that happen here each and every day for every one of our patients possible. Did you know that each year, 9,000 children are admitted to CHAM for complex medical and surgical problems, ranging from life-threatening infections, unexpected injuries, chronic conditions such as kidney and liver failure, medical and surgical treatment of congenital and acquired heart disease, cancer, diagnosis and management of diabetes, asthma, seizures, autism, and a wide range of surgical problems. We also take care of approximately 900 critically ill newborns in our neonatal intensive care units. We are one of the busiest pediatric ambulatory programs in the country. All told, almost 200,000 children receive care in our hospital, our outpatient clinics, and throughout Montefiore's innovative community outreach initiatives. It's a really exciting time to be part of CHAM. We are in a phase of rapid growth and growing national recognition for the quality of our patient outcomes, for our excellence in training the next generation of pediatricians, pediatric subspecialists, and pediatric investigators, and for the research and discovery which is changing how we take care of patients, not just here at CHAM, but how children are treated throughout the globe. Since January 2013, we have recruited over 50 pediatric subspecialists to join our ranks of nationally recognized physician leaders in pediatric healthcare. Patients now come to us from throughout the region, the United States, and abroad. They've come from the United Arab Emirates for advanced management of heart failure and ultimately a pediatric heart transplant, from Spain for diagnosis and treatment of a rare brain tumor, and from Boston for treatment with a chemotherapy protocol for metastatic bone cancer that was developed here at CHAM and is available nowhere else in the Northeast. These are just a few examples of the state-of-the-art and technologically advanced care available at CHAM and how research conducted by our faculty impacts the lives of patients here and advances pediatric healthcare everywhere. I am also very proud of the passion and compassion with which we deliver healthcare here at CHAM. This is shown every day by our faculty, our trainees, our amazing nursing staff, respiratory therapists, social workers, and child life specialists. The generosity of our donors have helped make CHAM a premier academic pediatric hospital. With your help, we can continue our mission to provide compassionate, patient and family-centered care, train the next generation of pediatric healthcare professionals, and discover new treatments through innovative research. There are many ways that you can contribute to CHAM's success. Please consider making a donation by talking to any of the Montefiore development officers who are here tonight. And please consider getting involved in the next phase of the growth of our children's hospital. On behalf of our faculty, staff, patients, and families, I thank you for your past and ongoing support.